The latest fallout now from a fraternity death. A grand jury has found enough evidence to support criminal charges in the death of Florida State University pledge Andrew Coffey, who died last month after an alcohol-soaked frat party. It is one of 4 frat-related deaths this year. Eva Pilgrim here with the story. Good morning, Eva.
Good morning, George. We now know Andrew Coffey died from a lethal amount of alcohol that he allegedly drank at a frat party. In the search for answers, a grand jury interviewing witnesses this morning, that grand jury encouraging authorities to pursue criminal charges, saying that many of the brothers seemed rehearsed and were more concerned about getting in trouble than they were about trying to save Coffey's life.
20-year-old Andrew Coffey, a Pi Kappa Phi pledge at Florida State University, was found dead inside this house after an off-campus frat party this past November. His blood alcohol nearly 7 times the legal limit to drive. Court documents now revealing the only people at the party: 2 strippers, the Pi Kappa pledges, and their new big brothers. According to those at the party, Coffey passed out on a couch after drinking large amounts of liquor straight from the bottle. They claim as they played pool, Coffey fell asleep, snoring loudly. But the next morning, when a pledge went to wake Coffey, he didn't have a pulse. Phone records show the pledge called and texted 5 frat members prior to calling 911.
Unfortunately, when medical emergency personnel got here along with TPD, they determined the person to be deceased.
Overnight, a grand jury found there is enough evidence to file criminal charges in the 20-year-old's death, but that it's been impossible to complete the investigation because the majority of the other pledges and fraternity brothers are not cooperating. The case has been handed to the state attorney general.
We're just at a point where we're trying to figure out, how do you convince these very intelligent millennials that people are dying every year because of these behaviors?
48 of the 88 men at the party are refusing to speak to investigators. FSU suspending the fraternity and implementing a temporary ban on all Greek activities on campus.
And the state attorney general saying there's no question that people will be charged. It's about making sure that the right people get the appropriate charges. A new grand jury will be paneled the first week of January.
Guys, it's just a stunning amount of alcohol.
Yeah, a lot of alcohol and a lot of boys there.
Eva, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.